You feel stuck because your life is on repeat. Same routine, same doubts, same excuses. Deep down, you know you're capable of more, but fear, overthinking, and comfort are holding you hostage. You keep waiting for the right time. But here's the truth. There is no perfect moment. Growth begins the moment you decide that staying where you are is more painful than moving forward. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take one honest step. Stop comparing your journey to others. Their path isn't yours. Focus on building discipline, not just motivation. Make small promises to yourself and keep them. That's how you rebuild trust with the person in the mirror. You don't need a massive plan. You need action. Start now, start small, but start anyway. Clarity comes from doing, not waiting. The life you want won't magically appear. It's built, choice by choice. So stop settling. You're not stuck. You're just afraid. And fear only wins if you let it. Choose growth. Choose you. Subscribe to Easy Life for motivation, real growth, and to make life easy.